For people who enjoy baking, purchasing a stand mixer allows you to mix, mash, and churn ingredients hands-free while minimizing splatters. Whether you're kneading homemade pizza dough, baking a mouth-watering dessert, or whipping up a light and fluffy frosting, buying a stand mixer can make it easy to combine ingredients to create the perfect consistency. 1. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid stood out as the best in class when it came to mixing and kneading dough. The paddle easily creamed butter and sugar, then gently folded in chips and dried fruit. Slack dough came together quickly, and the bread loaf had a crackly crust surrounding a soft interior. The stainless steel bowl locked in and out of place quickly, and the handle was easy to grip. The 10-speed gear shifter slid with a smooth motion, and the clearly differentiated speeds all proved useful. It could gently mix at low speeds and whip at high speeds. The KitchenAid comes with a full set of accessories that will get you started baking or mixing right out of the box. We were impressed with the simplicity of attaching and removing these during our time with the mixer, and with the versatility the wide range of available tools gives the mixer. 2. Hamilton Beach All-Metal Stand Mixer. If you're not prepared to shell out the money for a KitchenAid, this Hamilton Beach model comes with the same number of attachments and a much lower price tag. It worked well with basic tasks like whipping cream and egg whites, as well as mixing cookie dough, but it labored with the heavier brioche batter on higher speeds. The tilt head on this machine is a little clumsier than the KitchenAid, and you'll probably need to lift the beaters to scrape down the bowl, which requires very firmly pushing the rear button with one hand while raising the head with the other. All things considered, this machine would perform everyday baking tasks well. 3. ACMA Stand Mixer. The ACMA 6-speed tilt head stand mixer is the best stand mixer for cookies because of its large bowl size, useful accessories, and superior mixing capabilities. It took the mixer less than a minute to combine wet and dry ingredients to form a smooth, consistent cookie dough. Since the bowl is 6.5 quarts in size, there's plenty of space for a double batch if you're baking for a crowd. The mixer had no trouble stirring the wet and dry ingredients together without the need to manually scrape the sides of the bowl, making it a truly hands-free operation. In addition to being extremely useful for baking cookies, the mixer also performed well when making whipped cream, forming stiff peaks in the mixture with ease. 4. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. This stand mixer comes with a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl and a convenient tilt-back head for easy access when adding ingredients. It also includes a dough hook for kneading, a whisk, a flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard to prevent splatters. We particularly liked how easy it was to operate and clean the attachments on the Cuisinart mixer. We also loved that the mixer has pre-programmed settings for common baking needs, such as whipped cream, mixing batter, and kneading dough, allowing you to achieve the desired texture for every recipe. We found the Cuisinart 5.5-quart mixer to be perfect for creating whipped cream, combining the powdered sugar, cream, and vanilla without splashing to form stiff peaks in less than 2 minutes. 5. Ankarsrum Original Kitchen Machine. The mixer comes with a 7-liter metal bowl specifically for dough mixing and a 3.5-liter plastic bowl for use with the beater and whisk attachments. The dough mixing function involves a dough roller, instead of a hook, that pairs with a scraper attachment, which continuously scrapes the dough from the bowl's sides while mixing. The roller rests on the side of the bowl as it spins or can be manually moved across the bowl and locked into the position that suits you best. We noticed how well this machine kneads dough, completely developing the gluten with a more natural kneading action than some of the other machines. It was also especially efficient at whipping cream due to the lower position and movement of the smaller double whisk attachments. Even after 10 minutes of kneading dough, the machine didn't get warm or shake, even at top speeds. The machine was also easy to clean, with no mess made during mixing, and no small cracks or grooves for debris to collect in.